private colleges, and choosing SRM is a top priority of them because it's standing at a greater position than other private colleges.
Because my G rank was low, so I just choose SRM.
SRM Institute of Science and Technology, formerly SRM University. இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய one of the top private deemed university.
This is me, Debangana Naha from West Bengal.
Rupa Mandal, West Bengal as well.
From Delhi.
So what's your major gear and which year are you currently studying?
I am from EC VLSI, BTech, and I am in first year.
I'm from BTech as well. EC core I'm having as my stream and in first year only.
CSC first year.
Guys, why did you choose SRM over other private colleges?
Its NRF ranking is good, that's why.
To be very honest, SRM was not in my plan, but when I compared the stats with other private colleges, SRM it provided a very vibrant campus and a lot of diversity in people. As I'm from Bengal, many other students I've interacted with, they're from Delhi and other various parts of India. So yeah.
What's your first choice?
Obviously IIT or NIT.
So one thing you love about this campus?
The campus is so big and it's like what he said that the culture is so much diverse here. So maybe that's.
Yeah, exactly the same, interacting with people from different states. Yeah, I love that. Mixing with people of different culture.
Same, mixing with the diversity, the lush green campus here. It's so big. That's it.
What's the one thing you don't like this? SRMல BTech இன்ஜினியரிங்காக SRM JEEE SRM ஜாயிண்ட் இன்ஜினியரிங் என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் ஆன்லைனில் 3 பேஸ் அந்த எக்ஸாம் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. இதில் பேஸ் 1 ஆல்ரெடி நடந்து முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, பேஸ் 2 பேஸ் 3 மட்டும் இனி நடக்க போகுது. இந்த எக்ஸாமில் ஹை பர்சன்டேஜ் எடுக்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு மெரிட் சீட் கிடைக்கும். இதை பொறுத்து அவங்களுக்கு ஃபீஸ்லையுமே ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் கிடைக்கும் அண்ட் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் கோட்டா ஷீட்டும் இது மூலமாக வாங்க முடியும். இன்னொரு வே கிளாஸ் 12th எடுக்கக்கூடிய மார்க், உங்களோட ஹை பர்சன்டேஜ் மார்க், ஃபிசிக்ஸ் கெமிஸ்ட்ரி மேத்தமெட்டிக்ஸ் கட் ஆஃபை கன்சிடர் பண்ணியுமே உங்களுக்கு சீட் கிடைக்கும். ஸோ நீங்கள் SRMல தான் படிக்கணும், அட்மிஷன் ப்ராசஸ் எனக்கு தெரியல அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்க அப்படின்னா ஸ்க்ரீனில் இருக்க இந்த வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு கால் ஆர் வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணுங்கள். அட்மிஷன் கைடன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும்.
Khushbu,
Ira, Kritika,
and it's Ocean.
Where are you from?
Nepal.
West Bengal, Nepal.
Which department are you currently studying in?
Biomedical engineering.
Journalism and mass communication. Clinical nutrition and ITT.
Nursing.
Okay, all are different major.
We're in the same hostel. We live in the same apartment.
Why did you choose SRM over other private colleges?
They provide a good labs and they have a good research program, so that's why.
I heard they give good placements and I heard a lot of good feedbacks from this college. So yeah. The ranking was very high in comparative to other university. That's why I chose SRM.
For me, to be honest, it was a random decision. I made it a day before. Very uncertain decision that I made.
What's the one thing you surprised about this campus?
The culture. I mean the dress code thingy. Because we don't have that in my country, Nepal. People from here, they are so conservative regarding the dress-ups. You know, in my department, we've been told to wear churidar kurtas when we didn't receive our dress, which was so bizarre.
What's the one thing no one tells you before joining SRM?
They won't say about this weather and the food, so-called, their rules.
Do you feel weather is too much hot here?
Too much.
Of course, it is too much. It's very difficult to survive.
In this scorching heat, we would barely do another work. It's so hot. We wouldn't want to come out of our rooms.
What's the one thing you love about this campus and what's the one thing you hate about this campus?
Love is like the nature, the trees, only the thing I love, and the hate is there's more thing I hate, but I can't say here. It's I can't do that. I love the friends that I made here because they are super good, and the one thing that I didn't like, it's probably my faculties. They are extremely rude.
Is there any ragging?
No, there is no ragging. We already filled the anti-ragging form, and I don't think ragging, even if they will do ragging, there is a strict consequences for it. So they wouldn't dare to do it.
I'm Urvashi Pandey and I'm studying CSC core BTech in SRM.
I am Mayuk Sarkar and I am from Kolkata and I am a second year BTech student in CSE IML.
Yes, where are you from?
I'm from Gujarat, Surat.
Kolkata.
Why did you choose SRM over other private colleges?
SRM actually provided with a lot of opportunities and a lot of exposure, so that's why I chose SRM.
And I also think that the placement metrics with respect to the other colleges are quite great. That's why I chose SRM over the other colleges.
So what's the one thing no one tells about SRM before joining?
Before joining, basically the campus is really good. The people, the faculty, everyone is really nice over here, so yeah.
The activities all around the campus like the singing, the dancing is quite great, so you will definitely enjoy the campus life also.
So your first choice will be SRM or your plan B is SRM?
The first choice is SRM.
Actually, it's my plan B because my plan was some other ways and I failed there. That's why I joined this.
Students,
Yeah, hostel too.
Yeah, hostel student.
so how was your hostel life?
Hostel life is great memories in hostels too, yeah.
Yeah, hostel life is great. Like you just enjoy with your friends, doing some great things, great achievements, and just the food is just too good.
Do you prefer hostel food or canteen food?
Canteen food, obviously.
Sometimes hostel food, sometimes, as I told, that is very good, great. That's why.
So do you feel the inside campus feel like expensive or affordable?
Like, no, it's usually the normal price only, it's not expensive.
It's worth it. It's value for money.
How much is the fee per year, CSC?
Okay, I'm in CSC core and the fee is 4,75,000 for 1 year.
Yeah, same for me. 4,75,000, 19 lakhs for 4 years of BTech.
So do you feel that fee is really worth the placement and infrastructure for everything?
Like, it's a private college, so yeah, the fees is obviously a bit. But yeah, it's worth the campus life, the opportunities they are giving, so yeah.
I guess this question will be answerable after 4 years.
Okay. Do you have any advice to students who want to planning to join SRM?
If you are coming to SRM, come, make great memories, but also along with that, you got to study, invest your time in the things that really matter after 4 years.
Okay.
And yeah, that's all.
Please, if you are choosing CSE, please do coding.
Coding.
Yeah.
So do you do more self-study or
In college, you tend to do more self-study.
You have to do self-study, otherwise you can't get marks in the CETs also.
so what's the one thing you don't like about this campus?
Chennai is really hot. Also, the campus is really far from the main city. So yeah, it's a lot of issue traveling forward and back. So yeah.
Yeah, same. Like sometimes I face the issues with the food only in mess.
Okay. So the campus is not exactly Chennai. It's away from Chennai,
Yeah.
the 30 to 40 kilometer. Do you have a city exposure?
Yeah, we can go outside, but the traveling time is lot. So yeah.
Yeah, I went several places like Marina Beach, then Marina Mall, then Express Avenue Mall. Went some movies. Went to the airport mall also. It's quite great.
Describe one word in SRM.
Okay, it's absolutely amazing.
Quite great.
Mrigank.
Aryan.
Ananya. So what's your major and which department are you studying here?
I'm currently studying in second year and my department is NWC, Networking and Communication, in BTech degree.
My major is BTech. My specialization is cloud computing, and I'm currently in second year.
I'm currently in 4th sem, second year, pursuing BTech, specialization in cloud computing.
Where are you from?
I'm from Odisha, Berhampur.
I'm from Jharkhand.
I'm from Varanasi, UP.
Why did you choose SRM University over other private colleges?
It was a dream, like we have to explore some other states, their tradition. So Chennai is one of the traditional hubs of India, and joining SRM is a like great achievement because since we could not crack JEE and all, limited private colleges, and choosing SRM is a top priority of them because it's standing at a greater position than other private colleges.
Yeah, bro, that's interesting.
Because my G rank was low, so I just choose SRM. I didn't try for much college, so I just joined, given the SRM G and selected this college. That's it.
See, I had no choice left apart from taking SRM because like they all said like same for me, I couldn't crack JEE. I got a very low rank, so state colleges weren't that good. So I decided to give the entrance exam of SRM JEE, and
So after choosing SRM, do you feel your decision was right?
Yeah, it's better decision.
good. I feel like my vision is still intact. Depends upon me how I perform, how I upskill myself. Like college has been providing everything, but at the end it depends upon me how I take the advantages of those things.
At the end, as a student, the college is trying to provide everything we want. It's like creating steps for us to go higher and higher. We just need to like shine our own qualities for climbing up further.
So what's the one thing no one tell about SRM?
Is that BTech life or engineering life is easy? It's not easy. Like people often say that when an engineer is like given an exams, we have exam tomorrow, so engineers like duly study at night and tomorrow they give exam. There's nothing like that. We don't get marks like that. We generally start studying from 2-3 days before only. If we do that, it's just failure for us. So it's a myth that people tell that engineering students do not do anything.
So do you have a personal time here? How do you manage your personal life and academic same time?
We quite actually manage our personal time here because our classes get over at mostly 5. Sometimes when the classes are at from 8 to 12:15. After that, we are quite free. We can enjoy ourselves in sports, in club activities. There are also many clubs in SRM that help us to gain experience about leadership qualities and all.
Do you have any advice to students who want to planning to join SRM University 2026?
Beware of Chennai's climate. That's it. Rest all you can enjoy here in SRM. It's all depends on you. Work hard, enjoy your life, and don't do stupid things that we won't do.
Basically, we get all the opportunities. It is more about you, that how you use those opportunities. Like there are many intensive hackathons. If you participate in those, you will get, like, basically you have to explore more and more. There are many departments, peoples of different areas. So you will get a good exposure, but it's all depends on you, that how you approach things.
Like, see, if they're coming, they must really know how to work hard, because I believe college has a good exposure and they provide each and every stuff. Like, they always conduct hackathons thrice everyone and codeathons. You should be aware and participate in those events so you can upskill yourself, and betterment of your personality and skills. Need to be aware and work hard throughout the 4 years of your life.
It's not like SRM is not providing anything. There are numerous hackathons a week. Like in a week, there are many club activities, many hackathons. It's just students are not aware of that. They need to approach to these hackathons. It's not like always the messages will come. 90% of the times students will come to class and announce there's a hackathon this, there's a hackathon that from other clubs, but the students should need to approach also, right? We can't just spoon feed them. You're already grown ups, like 20s, 19s during colleges. You should learn how to live your life and how to gain knowledge from others.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் நான் நம்புறேன். அண்ட் எஸ்ஆர்எம் பற்றி நீங்கள் என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க அப்படிங்கிறத கமெண்ட்டில் சொல்லுங்கள். ஓவராலாக இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம இன்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணும்போது எஸ்ஆர்எம் பற்றிய ஒரு கண்ணோட்டமே மாறி இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப பாசிட்டிவாக சொன்னாங்க. ஸோ இன்ஜினியரிங் பொறுத்தவரையில் எஸ்ஆர்எம் எப்போவுமே ஒரு பயங்கரமான வேல்யூவில் தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ நீங்கள் எஸ்ஆர்எம்மில் தான் படிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிங்க, அதோட அட்மிஷன் கைடன்ஸ், அதை பற்றி அட்மிஷன் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்னா ஸ்க்ரீனில் தெரிய இந்த ஒரு வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பருக்கு நீங்கள் என்ன டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் படிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களோ அந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டை வாட்ஸ்அப்பில் டெக்ஸ்ட்டாக கொடுங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஃப்ரீ கைடன்ஸ் வாட்ஸ்அப் மூலமாக கிடைக்கும். அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் இதே மாதிரி நான் எந்த கேம்பஸில் வந்து வீடியோ மேக் பண்ணால் நல்லாயிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறீங்க என்ன சொல்லுங்கள். உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சர்க்கிளில் யார் எஸ்ஆர்எம் படிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஒரு இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங்கான எபிசோடில் உங்களை வந்து பார்க்குறேன். தேங்க்யூ. சைனிங் அப். சுமன்.